Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will go over how to solve PayPal payment error not working in Valorant store. So now let's begin. What we can do is make sure that our PayPal is working without any other issues. After that, the next thing we can do is double or triple check the information that we gave in the transaction detail. We need to make sure that all is correct. Next is, if it is possible, try to use other way of payment in PayPal, like credit or debit card or anything like of that sort. So after that, we can also try to clear our browsing data. And if we did all that and we still have this issue, we can go to the customer service and state our problems. And that is how to solve PayPal payment error not working in Valorant store. And that's everything for this video. Now, if this video helped, please leave a like and subscribe.